Now we're just making exclamation mark otter. This is like a rite of passage for being a tier 3. We all suck. I suck too. I'm gonna do something embarrassing on stream and you guys are gonna laugh at me for it. I just want to be able to laugh at you guys back. This is fair.
Fire Spirit.
Oh,
Little bro
no,
Stewart.
Stewart got him.
Oh!
Exclamation mark otter. There we go. It shows up in stream. All right, back to VOD review. But yes. Shoot the recon.
Raise is low. Really low.
Dude, I f***ed him up. What are you guys doing?
We were naded off.
No. I feel this Phoenix. So first of all, does Phoenix have a dash? Yes or no? Does he have a satchel? Does he have a movement speed buff? He has none of these things. So there doesn't exist a world where he can beat a nade timing and you can't. That world doesn't exist. However, this happens to me all the time. In the in-houses in particular, when I'm playing with people around your rank, Otter, and I'll play like Reyna, and I'll run out and I'll be like, where were you guys? They'll be like, oh, we got mollied off. I'll be like, what do you mean? I'm Reyna. I can't dash. Well, this is why you're... It's because you're standing in the fucking corner, holding slow, and then you're aiming for what? Another slow? But you don't have... Go! After this flash, we should all be flooding out.
Raise is low. Really low.
The Raze's nade is bad, chat. The timing of her nade is good, but the placement of her nade is bad. The reason why her nade is bad is because it's blowing up here. And the Raze thinks this is good because she's used to playing in Platinum, where this happens. But when the nade is blowing that far back and I'm second man, I will come out with my Phoenix. Because we're chilling. You want the nade to blow up?
Here.
Like here. And yeah, Ulrich is agreeing, and Ulrich basically watches Dopai 24/7. So he's practically Dopai. And Dopai's a Raze main.
No.
Dude, I fucked him up. What are you guys doing?
We were naded off.
Nah, that's the most frustrating thing you can say to Phoenix. Especially attack need to be more aware of teammates, their pacing, play real close to them. Yeah. Most of the time. Fuck. I love this. I love this. You get full marks for this play.
There's at least one side for sure.
Heal your goddamn clove, dude.
Oh no, that was a race. Never mind, I lied.
One enemy remaining.
Last guy marked it.
So, in a perfect world, I would tell you to get off the wall because they know you're up here. But in the world we live in, I know that even in Radiant, it's right to stay on this wall. Because I've seen it a million times. The Grim will kill this guy, and then that guy will scream to his team, he's on a wall outside market, careful, and they'll peek like this. And like... Good second kill too. I honestly, you probably should have stayed up. Oh fuck, I jumped.
There's at least one side, and I lied.
One enemy remaining.
Last guy marked it.
Yeah, I think you would have killed him if you just stayed on. Oh fuck, you lost. Yeah, okay. So the problem with Sage as a pick and why she's so hard to climb with is that Sage basically just rewards you for being really good at the game. Like the game Valorant itself. You can't bring much preparation into the game as Sage and benefit from it. Sure, you can learn some Grimwalls, but here's the issue. We already know everything at this point. Like right around here, I believe we know everything.
Yeah, watch your mid. He's still there.
It's right here. Yeah. Okay. At this point, here we know Jett CT and we know Harbor's market. Our Clove is ulted and pushing market. And so pushing with Clove is good. I'm down. Here we're just too slow to swing this Harbor though. We hear him making footsteps right there. We could have swung out much faster, but now he's dead. And so you immediately need to turn around and come play cross with Sova.
Enemy remaining.
But you don't realize that Jett is CT. And so instead, like we give this 50. And we come around this way once we realize, and we give a 50 with no Phoenix.
40. Go.
So Grim is just Giga Shad. Grim's good at the game. Sage is not a bad agent. I'm not saying Sage is a bad agent. I'm saying Sage is an easy agent. And when you play an easy agent, similar to Reyna, then whether or not you win or lose is going to boil down more to your fundamentals.
Y'all have headsets here?
What? You just
It looks
died.
like they're not coming A. Never mind. Y'all
You're dead. They're right there. Wait.
have headsets here?
Hey, watch out. Watch your mid.
What? You just died. The cat player can get across here at round start without getting seen by tiles. They can come right over here and play this way. Pretty common, in fact. You're playing Sage, dude. You have to be fundamentally solid. What? That's how you peek close, right? What?
I've actually got a crazy lurk here.
What?
Spike
132
down
Raze.
B. I'm paying.
Ah, you did. And then you cashed out on fucking a body shot. Random.org will decide your punishment. We are going to watch this round back 2 times in silence. Actually, not silence. Let's get... I want sad music. Use some of my own music so it's DMCA free. Let's use my Christmas playlist. Fuck it. Wait. The mood's not set. The mood's not set. The vibes are not... The vibes are currently immaculate, and I want immaculate. One sec. Perfect. I'm not making a rolls into car. Relax. I know we have no rolls. I just want... I'm making sure Otter doesn't forget. We're making a meme. A command. I want a command for every tier 3. It's not just you, Otter. Don't worry. I'm on a mission to take every tier 3 and have one embarrassing clip of them so that when they see me whiff and they laugh at me, I can do this and laugh at them.
Fire Spirit.
Oh,
Little Bro
no,
Stewart.
this is-
Oh.
Stewart's got him.
Oh!
Now we're just making exclamation mark Otter. This is like a rite of passage for being a tier 3. We all suck. I suck too. I'm gonna do something embarrassing on stream and you guys are gonna laugh at me for it. I just want to be able to laugh at you guys back. This is fair. Exclamation mark Otter. There we go. It shows up in stream. All right, back to VOD review. It's all good, Otter. We've all been there. But also, it's not all good. This is our problem. We saw it with our classic pistol fight on the Raze market.
He's in there.
Your 2 seconds left.
I'm bracing for the shame of pistol round defense. Okay, I'll make sure I watch it. Do you hit this once, bro? Oh. Come on.
Raise, come high low.
One tiles.
Right.
Wait.
Oh, you're gonna get mad at Raze for not fighting with you? Well, you're gonna get mad at Raze for not fighting with you. That's rich, Mr. We got naded off.
Does someone want to come be with me and set up a high low? Just play right there, and then I'll wall above you.
Ooh, okay, no, you're chilling.
Yeah, I'll play close mid.
Raise, right on ping, right on ping. I'll be above you.
Actually, I can peek.
Raise, please.
Okay, not your fault. This guy's got nothing in his head. Not your fault.
Raise, come high low.
That's just watch. Oh, rotate! Your Raze just peeked B main, saw nothing. Like, they recon A.
I had 2 for.
Bro, what are you?
Nate.
Like, awareness? No way you're calling it awareness. You don't have a gun out right now. You have to be looking at your minimap. What are you admiring, like the markings on the box? Surely you see this.
I had 2 for Nate.
One more tiles.
I'm gonna wall off B main.
Our guy's in B main.
Never mind, Raise is walked in.
Yeah, oh my. Okay. You realize you're just dizzy. What is it?
One more mid. You heard.
2? Well, now I gotta know. Double slow lineup, huh? Here and
One more
then
mid. You heard.
there. Bro, they're catwalk, no? They're mid. There's 3 mid and you're double slow lineupping for A main.
One more mid. You heard. You saw him.
One
Dizzy.
enemy
You're
remaining.
so dizzy.
Spike down mid.
You're
That's
actually
fine.
dizzy as
Harbor
fuck.
He
He's
might
A
be
main and he's slow as
Yeah, he
fuck.
was.
Oh no, he's not mid. Damn.
Raise.
Yeah.
Tiles. Watch your B. I hear B.
I'm low.
One's back right
80,
lobby.
80 jet. Nice.
Oh, 2 tiles.
That's behind Hut, I believe is a call out. People call that Hut.
2 tiles. 2 tiles.
Not that your Raze would hear you. She's not in comms.
South mid.
Yeah. Keep watching tiles though. They're backing
I
up.
smoked off A main as well.
One's in.
They're on side already.
They're not on site. Oh, I love that. I love the
They're on
attempt.
side already.
This is actually a really good play if you hit it. I'm kind of mad that you didn't hit it. Let me show you what he's going for, chat. The vision's actually good. The vision's really good.
Wall raised.
So he's trying to... Oh, I'm not even close. I need to jump way more on the... How are you walling?
Watch your B. I hear B.
Oh, you have to long wall. Okay.
Wall raised.
This guy. Wait, this is OP. You can break the wall with Ghost.
Barrier here.
Yeah. So... Taking this, and then he wants to jump air straight behind like that. It's actually such a sick play.
Oh, yeah. Keep watching tiles.
One's in.
They're on side already.
But you misses.
One enemy remaining.
Wow. To be honest, I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Look, Otter, it's just like kind of cringe. Like, it's just kind of cringe how you've got no willingness to shoot
Honest,
them.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging.
Nice.
Drop it, drop it.
Dark good.
Mid. I'm gonna play with Raze.
All right, leave A to me. Don't smoke it.
Oh,
Leave
never
A to
mind.
me.
I'm just
Don't
gonna
smoke
hear
it.
it.
They countered our one way.
One B main or A main for sure.
Be a bomb.
Healing.
Yeah, bomb. I have a one way. Back off. Back.
Back off, back off. I'm gonna, bro, it's 5v to go push them. Just go
Stop, bro,
push
I have a one way.
them.
Yeah.
Relax.
He should picked up another
I'm
shot
running.
then.
Charges.
Where? Tree?
Charges. Healing.
Nice. Good shit.
Good round. Play.
Try to-
Throw.
Now he's gonna do this one way from stairs.
Raze, I've got a one way there if you want to back
What?
off.
One broke dead.
Raze, I've got a one way if you want to back off.
Closing down.
I'm droning.
I've got heal.
I'm gonna anchor.
Raze, you want to back off? I got a one way.
Raze, can you go market?
You're too laser focused on your setups, bro. Like, I get it. It's cool. You got the one way. Yup. It's cool. But you may just Okay, you're cooking. I see much elo gate in your future, Otter. You've got the right headspace to play Sage. I allow it. Focus, points, attack. Stop with the goofy yee ass double slow lineup sight hits where you just watch your team take the site from 50 meters away and hope it works. Defense, keep doing the goofy yee ass one-way walls and rim angles, but don't commit so hard to them working. You laser focus on them to a degree that you lose all awareness entire round. General, your peaks / movement are so bad, we turned on a black and white filter and played them slow-mo. I want to do the same thing next time, except we'll be doing it with montage music because your peaks are that fire.